Okay, okay, okay. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by. Yes, this is the week of collabs and just doing fun, different collabs here on my channel. Today is another collab video. Surprise, shocker, probably not. Especially if you've been with my channel for a while. Today I am collaborating with Nansy Lopez and I am super excited about this. She is one of my subscribers who started their own channel and she has been wanting to collab with me for a little bit and we finally got around to do this collab. Today I am facing off with her. If you guys don't know what face off is, it is where I and another creator, you and another creator, it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to involve me. I actually like watching other people do it and seeing what they come up with. So basically it's two creators who use the same palette. Today we are using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. And they each create a look using these same shades. This is kind of in the same vein as palette bingo. It doesn't have to be. You don't have to use a random generator. You guys can come up with the shades. I've done it where I picked like 2 shades and the other person picked 3 shades and we kind of try to throw each other off. You could do it that way. Today we did use a random generator for our collab. I kind of like the random generator. It leaves less control. And we picked 5 shades. The shades that we picked are, or the shades the random generator picked are Saturn, Parallel, Obsidian, Dimension, and Sphinx. Yeah, it's gonna be an interesting thing that we're gonna create today. These are definitely colors that I typically would not put together for such like a dark eye look, and I'm going to have to take this off before I go to work because it's gonna be dark. I'm just gonna put that away. That's kind of where my thoughts are. Anyway, let's talk about Nansy because she does a lot of things on her channel. She's done a video where she recreates somebody else's makeup look. She's done tutorials. She has an about me video, which I recommend checking out if you would like to know more about her. She is just very talented and I am so glad she started her own channel. I love when my subscribers start their own channel. I love to see what they do with makeup, what their makeup collection's like and all of that, and what type of makeup they're into. That's a lot of fun to see. So if you're a subscriber of mine and you have a channel, feel free to let me know that down below. I think I tend to subscribe to a lot of people who are subscribed to me in terms of like you're actually watching my videos and we can be friends. I don't sub for sub. I don't sub for sub. But I would hope that after you watch my video that you guys will go check out her channel and tell her I sent you. That would be amazing. We're gonna go ahead and jump into this look and see what we come up with. So the first shade I'm going to go into is going to be Saturn, and I'm going to take this on a very fluffy brush. I'm going to pop this in to my crease. I have no choice but to do kind of a dark look. I mean, maybe I do have a choice, but the Parallel and Obsidian just makes me want to make it very moody. So I hope you guys are ready for a very moody kind of look today. It goes with the shirt. I'm wearing skulls. I realized I have 7 skull shirts and I feel like I need more because I love skull shirts. So if you guys know of any place that has really awesome skull shirts, yeah, let me know. I collect them. And I'm not on a low buy for clothes. I actually probably should be, but that's a different story. I keep debating whether I want to go through my closet and sell things on Poshmark, and then I look through my closet and I'm like, no, I want to wear all this, but do I wear it? No. Sometimes. Typically not. I also feel like for my newer client, I have to be a little more dressed up because we go places. Oh, it's complicated. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the shade Parallel, and I'm going to use that to deepen my crease, but I'm going to take it slightly above my crease. That's why I took the shade Saturn So High. So I'm going in with this brush. It's just a blending brush from Vander Brushes. I'm kind of feeling Halloween-y with this look. Like, I also want to watch Nightmare Before Christmas. I actually just want to have a Tim Burton kind of movie night. Because I like Tim Burton. My husband does not. My husband and I have completely different, like, taste in things, and it's just funny. I'm like, how are we together? I mean, I'm glad we're together because I adore him, but sometimes I'm just like, how did that happen? Okay, so I'm going to take Obsidian, and I think I'm going to do a halo eye. Shocker. I say shocker like that because I literally, the moment I saw these shades, I'm like, I think the only way to accomplish a look with these for now is a halo eye. And yeah. And I'm kind of doing, like, I should have done the halo part first now that I think about it, but it'll be okay. It'll be okay. Because I will fix it. I look like, what are they? Oh my gosh, the red pandas. That's what my eyes look like. Red panda eyes. Oh my gosh. If, like, I'm a person who, if I feel like somebody's gonna make fun of me, I'm gonna make fun of myself first. I don't know if anyone else is like that. I'm also kind of surprised. There's a little bit of fallout on my face, but I'm surprised it's not like a powder shower on my face. Okay, I will say this. I do not like this black shadow at all. And so when I saw it on the random generator, I was like, oh, okay. Because I don't like the way this one blends at all. It's a difficult black shadow to blend. And I have other black shadows that just blend better. So cross your fingers, wish me luck. Pray to whatever God you believe in, because, or don't pray. You could just wish me luck, send me good vibes. Whatever your deal is. I'm gonna go back into Parallel, and we're gonna try and blend just a little bit, so it's not like the world's harshest line, and you guys are going to notice that this takes flippin' forever. Yep, I look like a red panda, and I'm down for it. Let's just be red pandas today, because I think that is, it's just gonna make me happy. Is it a red panda? Is that what those are called? They look like raccoons, but they're not raccoons. They call them red pandas. I feel like that's right, and if it is, yay. If it's not, I tried. I tried so hard. Also, I don't know why I'm blending this like onto my nose. I don't know, maybe I also feel witchy. Do you guys think this looks witchy? I think it looks witchy. Okay, that's as good as that's gonna get. And I'm gonna take a makeup wipe. Yes, there's already stuff on it because I was swatching things. Don't judge me. I don't want to get another one out. I mean, if you feel the need to judge me, I guess you can, but I don't know why you'd feel that need. I'm just using a makeup wipe and I'm not wasting it because it had 2 swatches on it. Okay, okay, okay. Now I'm gonna go in with the NYX glitter primer. I don't know why I'm in such a good mood. I actually kind of feel like crap right now. Oh gosh. Oh no, is this empty? Do I get to use the other one? I'm scared I'm gonna like squirt myself with glitter glue. I think it's actually empty. Oh, nope, it lied. Had a little bit left in there. Gotta use it to the last drop. Yes, I'm using the NYX glitter primer. Someone stop me today. I'm in a weird mood. Okay. I'm taking this little, what is this? the e.l.f. concealer brush that I never use for concealer. That I always use. It should just be the e.l.f. tiny detail brush. Let's call it that. I'm actually using this because lately I've been liking glitter glue with shimmers, and it's kind of become this. I took that over way too far. I also apologize to Nansy if this is like a mess and if I'm saying your name wrong, because I always feel like I say your name wrong, but you told me before that I said it correctly, and I went and watched that video to make sure I was saying your name right. I'm always worried about saying people's names wrong because I mispronounce everything because I'm too white. Oh gosh. I don't know why I put glitter glue on both eyes, so we're gonna have to act fast. I'm going to have to act fast. I don't know why I include you in my actions. You're not doing what I'm doing. I'm gonna go in with dimension. It's also okay if you guys hate me after this. I understand. I don't like this shimmer. I like this palette because it forces me to be unique, but some of the shades I'm just like, you're hard to work with. But I guess that's the challenge. Danielle, you created this. That's the challenge, okay? Like, yeah. Oh, I was editing a video and I was like, oh my gosh, I say the word like so often. And okay. And I've probably already done that a bunch in here and don't even realize it, but. Okay. I did it! I said okay! Oh my gosh. I'm trying. I'm taking the brush with Obsidian and I'm not putting any more on it. I'm just kind of going over the edge to kind of blend it in. Oh, I took more now. I don't know why I did that. Said I wasn't going to, and then I did it anyway. I'm a rebel. I am a rebel. I told you guys, I'm in a weird mood. I like this halo eye. Don't know that I love it, but I like it. Okay, I need a clean brush. Danielle, you need to use a clean brush and blend that out because it looks ridiculous. This brush isn't gonna be clean anymore. And this is where I lose all my subscribers because they find out how weird I am. Well, now I'm going to quickly go off of camera, do my winged eyeliner and my mascara, and then we'll come back and do the rest of this eye. I feel vampy. I like it. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I am back. And we're gonna do my lower lash line with this NYX eyeliner pencil that has the world's longest name. But the specific color is called Brown Perfection. So I'm going to put this on my lower lash line and I'm going to try and not be so weird for this part. I can't promise anything. And if you've been paying attention up to this point, that sounded ruder than I meant it to be, but you know I have one shade left, and that shade is Sphinx. And I'm going to take this brush and we're just going to put it on my lower lash line. And now I'm going to take this Wet n Wild highlight, and this is in Diamond Lily. It's the silver one. And I'm just going to take this little e.l.f. brush. It's kind of like a warm tone meets cool tone kind of a look. And I'm here for it. Then for my lipstick, oh yeah, it's a brown one, you guys. I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit, and this is in Caramel Cake. So now you get to watch me put on lipstick in the most unattractive way possible, because that's my way of doing lipstick. Okay, so all I have to say is I don't understand why I'm so horrible at putting on lipstick. I mean, I've been putting on lipstick for the last couple of years, but I kind of like how this look came together. Just ignore the horrible lipstick application. We'll fix it later. I don't have time right now. But you guys will have to let me know what you think of this look down below. I kind of dig it now that it's all done. In the beginning, I wasn't 100% sure if I was going to like it, but now I do. So yeah, I'm just gonna awkward pose. And you guys can tell me what you think. Well, thank you again. And please go check out Nancy's channel. I really do adore her. She is one of the people that I really enjoy chatting with in the comments down below. I am so excited that she has her own channel, and I do highly recommend you go check out how talented she is. Well, thank you guys again, and please give this video a like, subscribe if you have not already, and leave a comment down below if you'd like to chat. Well, thank you again, and bye!